The only people who get it are the people who get it. Welcome, investors and curious minds. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the stock market? In today's video, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey through the heart of the financial world. Whether you're dreaming of creating a diversified portfolio or simply seeking to understand the buzz around Wall Street, you've come to the right place. Get ready to become a savvy investor one step at a time. Picture a bustling marketplace, teeming with eager buyers and sellers, all in a pursuit of one thing: stocks. Well, what exactly is the stock market? It's the ultimate hub where shares of the publicly traded companies are bought and sold, enabling companies to raise capital and individuals to invest in the future of these enterprises. From tech giants to local startups, the stock market is the beating heart of the global economy. Now, let's unravel some key concepts. Think of shares as your golden tickets to ownership in a company. The more shares you possess, the stronger your voice in the company's decisions. Meanwhile, market indexes like the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average serve as compasses, guiding investors through the highs and the lows of the market's ever-evolving landscape. They're like the North Star, illuminating the path and informing decision-making. The classic risk and reward dilemma. Investing in the stock market isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There's always a calculated risk involved. Market volatility and the possibility of losing your initial investment are real threats. However, don't let that scare you off. With thorough research and a well-thought-out risk management plan, you can navigate these waters with confidence. Capital appreciation and the sweet sound of dividend income await those who dare to tread wisely. Let's dive into the diverse world of stocks. Imagine a rich tapestry woven with different threads, each representing a unique type of stock. Common and preferred stocks take center stage, offering different benefits and risks. Blue chip stocks exude stability and reliability, akin to the trusted cornerstones of the stock market. Growth stocks, on the other hand, ignite the imagination with the promise of exponential expansion. Income stocks, the ever-dependable source of regular dividend payouts, cater to those seeking steady financial nourishment. Ever wondered what goes on behind the curtain of the stock market? It's like a vibrant dance floor, with buyers and sellers swaying to the rhythm of the supply and demand. Placing orders sets the stage, while the execution of these orders dictates the market's intricate moves. Keep an eye on those price fluctuations, as they tell tales of investor sentiment and market sentiment, shaping the very fabric of the financial narratives. Time to strategize. Are you in it for the long haul or seeking quick wins? Long-term investment strategies offer the promise of steady growth over time. It's like nurturing a sapling into a mighty oak. On the flip side, short-term strategies call for quick reflexes and a keen eye for market trends, akin to riding the waves of an ever-changing ocean. Remember, the keys to success lies in creating a diversified portfolio, a well-crafted mosaic of investments, safeguarding against market storms, and fostering a garden of financial abundance. Eager to delve deeper into the intricacies of the stock market? The treasure trove of knowledge awaits. From classic investment manuals to interactive online courses, the world is your oyster. Dive into the realms of renowned financial publications, explore reputable websites, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our thriving community of aspiring investors. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Bravo! You've just completed your crash course in Stock Market 101. Remember, the keys to success isn't just in the numbers, but in the wisdom that guides your decisions. Equip yourself with knowledge, tread cautiously, and never stop learning. The world of finance is a playground of endless opportunities waiting for you to seize them. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to subscribe for more thrilling adventures in the realm of finance. Until next time, happy investing.